And like I've told you yesterday, today we are going to delve into some emotional vocabularies that might be helpful if you're going to write a novel in the future. So the first one, euphoria. Euphoria means a feeling or state of intense happiness and excitement. So later I'll give a sentence using the vocabulary and not using the vocabulary so that you can see the difference, like which one it will be better if you are writing the same sentence next time. So example sentence without the word euphoria is like she felt incredibly happy when she received the news. An example sentence with the word euphoria is she felt a sense of euphoria when she received the news. Second, melancholy means a feeling of pensive sadness, often with obvious cause. For example, he often sat quietly, lost in thought, can be turned into he often sat quietly, lost in a state of melancholy. Next, anguish. Anguish means severe mental or physical pain or suffering. For example, she was deeply upset by the loss of her pet, can be turned into she was in deep anguish over the loss of her pet. Next, nostalgia. Nostalgia. It means sentimental longing or wistful affection for the past. For example, he remembered his childhood fondly. Can be turned into he felt a wave of nostalgia as he remembered his childhood. Next, despair. Despair means a complete loss or absence of hope. For example, she felt hopeless after the failure. Can be turned into she was overcome with despair after the failure. So I hope that these words can help you in writing novels or even writing poems. And next time when you see it in the novel, you can understand what is the word for and what does it mean. So that's all for the lesson and hope that I can see you next week. Goodbye.